How to find activity page on Temu. The activity page on Temu is a section within the Temu app or website that allows users to track various activities related to their account. This page displays information such as redeemed discount codes, completed tasks, and other relevant account actions. Users can access this feature to stay updated on the recent activities associated with their Temu account. To find the activity page on Temu, follow these steps. First, start by opening the Temu app or website. Then navigate to the U tab. After that, access the Settings option within the U tab. Then select Notifications from the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Customers Activity option. Enable the Customers Activity option, close the Temu app and reopen it, or refresh the website page. Return to the U tab, where you should now see the activity page displaying various account activities, including redeemed discount codes and completed tasks. By following these steps, you should be able to locate and access the activity page on the Temu app or website. That's it for this review. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.